Hi. So here is our next method, solving systems using the addition or the elimination method. It depends on the book that you have as to whether or not they say the word addition or they say elimination. Technically, they mean the same thing. So what do we have to do in order to use this method? The first thing you have to know is the equations need to be in standard form, where the x and y are on the left and the constant is on the right. So you'll have something x plus something y equals a number. The next thing that you need to know is when x and y are on the same side, in order for them to eliminate, they need to be additive inverses of each other. Now we've gone over that vocabulary word, but in case you don't remember, additive inverse means opposite sign, okay? So I put a couple of examples. So if I give you what is the opposite or what is the additive inverse of 3x, you would tell me negative 3x. If I ask you what is the opposite of negative 2y, you would tell me positive 2y. So when I ask you for them to be opposites or I ask you for them to be inverses of each other, that's what I mean. They need to be the same number, the same coefficient in front of the variable, but the signs, one needs to be plus, one needs to be minus, okay? That way, when you line your equations under each other, because when you're doing this addition, it's just like saying 23 plus 52. You want to line the digits up underneath each other. So you want to line the x's under the x's, the y's under the y's, the constants under the constants. Once you do that, when you do the addition of like terms, one of the variables is going to cancel out or eliminate. Then you have one letter left, you solve for that letter. Once you get that letter by itself, you get y equals something, or you get x equals something. Then you're going to use the substitution method, plug it back into one of the original equations, and get the other variable that you need. Sometimes a lot of people like this better because they say it's shorter than regular substitution, but you need to know how to do both just in case the teacher wants either substitution or elimination, okay? So come with me to the board and I'm going to help you get started on this type of solving systems of equations.